Tonight I am staying at another Ohio State Park campground. I just pulled up. I got my tent, got to get it set up, got to get a fire going. I got an awesome dinner planned for tonight, all while trying to stay warm. It's just at the freezing point, around 32 degrees, and then also have a good time. So let's get after it. I'm gonna lay some of these foam mats down in the floor just to give a little separation from the ground, a little bit more insulation. Got the sleeping bag all set up, got the mat down. One thing I'm a little concerned about is there's like a little air gap there. I might end up piling up some snow there, maybe block the wind from getting in here so bad. Hopefully that'll help out a little bit. I didn't want to get, you know, the snow getting under the tent or anything, but hopefully that'll block the wind from getting in there. I've got some good bark here. I'm gonna take my feather sticks, set them on this bark, and then I got some extra tinder here, and I got the extra bark here. Let's see if we can't get this fire going. Got the fire started. I think that birch bark definitely helped out a lot. There's oil in that bark that's flammable, and once I got that lit, it was definitely going up no matter what. Tonight for dinner, I am making up some deer French dip sandwiches. If you want to call them deer dip sandwiches, but I got some au jus. This is some whitetail backstrap that I sliced up and it's been marinating. I'm gonna cook that up. Got some Swiss cheese put on top. So let's go. So I do have some horseradish here. You know, I don't think this is a traditional French dip, but I don't care because it's a deer dip sandwich. Horseradish mayonnaise on there. Yep, that is better than I expected. Try some of the au jus. Holy smokes, that is good. Dang. That's one sandwich down. Now time to tackle the other one. That dang horseradish is strong. My nose was already running from it being cold. Now it's a lot worse now. It's getting all cleared out. Holy smokes. That was delicious. Man. It's a little after 8 o'clock. I've been just chilling out, listening to a podcast, enjoying the evening. Wind's still blowing around like 10 miles an hour. It's still like 32 degrees. But I am gonna make up some dessert. So I already made these up at home, but I just got to heat them up. But what they are tortillas, and they have peanut butter. There, that might be a little better. Peanut butter, honey, and some raspberries in there. A little crunch on the outside, peanut butter all melted. Holy smoke. That's so good. It's really turning out to be the perfect night. Winds died down. Fires keep me plenty warm. I'm just chilling, enjoying the evening. It's a little after 9:30. Fire's about out. I think I'm gonna head to the tent, chill out for a little bit. I got my heater in there. I'm gonna try that out in the tent. I don't know if it'll work or not, but yeah, maybe watch some videos or something. Getting that heater started might be the best idea or worst idea. I really have no idea. It's just an experiment. I know this thing puts out a ton of heat out of the top. I'm afraid it might get too hot up here, but I'm gonna find out.
It's raining, but most of the time.
So I did end up moving the heater off of that stand and put it on the ground. Ceiling of the tent was getting pretty warm, like hot to the touch. Now I just gotta be careful with the floor, but it seems to be doing okay, and it's not getting too hot up there. But pretty cozy in here right now with that heater going. I think I'm gonna hit the sack. I might watch a little more YouTube or something, but I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. I've been up for a little bit, but it's around 7:30. It sounds terrible outside. I don't know if you could tell, but we got some snow on the tent too. I've just been hanging out. I gotta get up, make some coffee. I might make some breakfast. got everything cleaned up. I think I'm gonna make a breakfast sandwich. I do have to say, I did sleep really good last night. I didn't leave that heater on. I don't want to do that. I just turned it off when I was ready for bed. Stayed plenty warm and slept great. But yeah, let's make some breakfast. I got a breakfast sandwich I want to make. I'm gonna finish up this sandwich and then get out of here. I appreciate you guys watching the whole entire video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.